Hello and welcome to our channel. Today we're going to talk about a topic that is not often discussed when it comes to the climate crisis, our diets. We all know that transportation and energy production are major contributors to climate change, but did you know that what we eat and how it's produced has a huge impact on the environment? In this video, we'll explore the connection between our diets and the climate crisis, and we'll provide some tips on how you can reduce your carbon footprint through the food choices you make. The environmental impact of meat production. The production of meat generates more greenhouse gas emissions than the entire transportation sector combined. The main reason for this is that meat production requires a lot of resources, including land, water, and feed. These resources are then used inefficiently, resulting in large amounts of waste and emissions. Animal agriculture is also responsible for deforestation, which not only contributes to climate change but also destroys important habitats and biodiversity. By cutting down on meat consumption or adopting a vegetarian or vegan diet, you can significantly reduce your carbon footprint. The importance of sustainable agriculture. The way our food is produced also plays a huge role in the climate crisis. Industrial agriculture, which relies heavily on pesticides, herbicides, and synthetic fertilizers, not only harms the environment but also contributes to climate change. These chemicals release large amounts of greenhouse gases, degrade soil quality, and harm biodiversity. By choosing organic and locally produced food, you can reduce your impact on the environment and support sustainable agriculture. Sustainable agriculture is a way of producing food that works with the environment, rather than against it. By promoting biodiversity, improving soil health, and reducing the use of synthetic inputs, sustainable agriculture can help mitigate the effects of climate change and support a more resilient food system. Food waste. Did you know that up to 1/3 of all food produced is wasted? When we waste food, we waste all the resources that went into producing it, including land, water, and energy. Not to mention the emissions generated when that wasted food ends up in landfills. By being mindful of the food we buy and eat, we can reduce our food waste and our impact on the environment. One way to reduce food waste is to plan meals and shop accordingly, so that we only buy what we need. Another way is to use leftovers and scraps to create new meals, rather than throwing them away. The benefits of plant-based diets. A plant-based diet is a diet that is based on fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and legumes, with little or no animal products. Plant-based diets have been shown to have numerous health benefits, but they also have a positive impact on the environment. Plant-based foods require fewer resources to produce than animal products, and they generate fewer greenhouse gas emissions. By incorporating more plant-based foods into our diets, we can reduce our impact on the environment and improve our health. Supporting local farmers. When we buy food that is produced locally, we support local farmers and reduce our carbon footprint. Food that is transported long distances generates more emissions than food that is produced and consumed locally. By supporting local farmers, we can also help to create a more resilient food system. Local farmers are often more connected to their communities and are better able to adapt to changes in the environment and the economy. So, as you can see, the food choices we make have a big impact on the environment and the climate crisis. By reducing our meat consumption, choosing organic and locally produced food, reducing food waste, and supporting sustainable agriculture and local farmers, we can all do our part to help mitigate the effects of climate change. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.